Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure EV Connect with Home Assistant for charging automation. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Home Assistant installed on your device. Next, visit the Home Assistant dashboard and log in. Navigate to the Configuration tab located in the sidebar. From the Configuration menu, click on Integrations. In the Integrations section, click on the plus sign to add a new integration. Search for EV Connect in the Integration search bar. Select EV Connect from the search results. You will be prompted to enter your EV Connect account credentials. Input your username and password for EV Connect, then click on Submit. Home Assistant will now attempt to connect to your EV Connect account. Once connected, you should see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Next, go to the Overview dashboard in Home Assistant. Here, you can view the status of your electric vehicle and charging sessions. To set up automation, navigate to the Configuration tab again. Select Automations from the list. Click on the plus sign to create a new automation. Name your automation according to your preference, such as EV Charging Automation. Define the trigger for your automation. For example, you may want to trigger charging at a specific time or based on the state of your home's energy consumption. Next, set the condition for your automation. You can add conditions to ensure that the charging only occurs under specific circumstances. After defining triggers and conditions, scroll down to the Action section. Choose the appropriate action that relates to your EV charging preferences. For instance, you can turn on the charger based on your triggers and conditions. After setting up your action, click Save to confirm your automation. Now return to the dashboard to test the automation you just created. Initiate a manual test to ensure that the automation works as expected. If everything is functioning properly, you can monitor your EV charging status through Home Assistant. You are now set up for charging automation with EV Connect in Home Assistant. Make adjustments to your automation as needed for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.